This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a Razor 200. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. Located in the front of the vehicle are the shock assembly and adjustment, A-arms, tie rod, and the sway bar with link. The headlight adjustments can be found in both front wheel wells. The BrakeMaster cylinder reservoir may be viewed through the wheel well. If brake fluid is needed, the hood may be removed to gain access to the reservoir. On the left side of the vehicle is the driver's door, which can be opened by pressing the latch button on the inside. Once inside, you'll find the seat adjustment lever on the bottom of both seats to allow forward and backward movement. Between the driver's seat and door, you'll find the fuse box and the diagnostic plug. The battery is located underneath the driver's seat. Behind the driver's seat, you'll find the toolkit, which includes a tire pressure gauge, spark plug socket, suspension adjustment tool, T40 Torx wrench, T27 Torx wrench, and a 10mm and 12mm combination wrench. Once in the driver's seat, you'll find the tilting steering column adjustment knob. In the center, you'll find the key switch, instrument gauge with navigation and mode buttons, battery charging port, gear selector, and the parking brake. On the right side of the dash, you will find a passenger handlebar. The fuel cap is located on the passenger side of the vehicle next to the seat and behind the door. In the rear of the vehicle, you will find the cargo box and the safety flag. Below the cargo box, you will find the air filter, oil dipstick, spark plug, and the oil filter. Also, located in the rear of the vehicle are the shock assembly and adjustment, radius rods, axle, trailing arm, and the sway bar and link. Grease points can be found on the front and rear sway bar mounts. The VIN is stamped on the passenger side front wheel well. The VIN can also be found on a sticker on the chassis frame in the passenger rear wheel well. Always read all warning labels on your vehicle before riding. A detailed list can be found in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.